guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here and I'm gonna do a quick look. It's Friday, so I'm gonna do some kind of happy hour something with my husband. I think we're kind of meeting up with work people, but yeah. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna do something quick. I don't have a lot of time. Like, I literally don't have a lot of time, so I have to do something quick today. Oh my god, stop. So let's just jump into it, right? Dude, I put this press on nails and I'm having like a really hard time with it because I am not a press on nails kind of girl. Actually, I lied. I'm not a press on. I just don't like long nails, so it's just in my way. I need a brown. I need something kind of dark. Nope, not this. Not this. You'd think I would have already put my stuff here. Oh, nope, too bright. Okay, we're gonna go into the Beaker brown, some plain makeup by Yolondo, and I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here, that really dark one, and I'm just gonna put this like right here. And leave it a little bit low. Oh, this is a F150 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm just gonna leave it like I'm not gonna go because this shade is very cool, so I'm gonna try to keep it like a little bit low. Her shadows are so good. Like, I don't know, people, you know, they did do this whole like thing, you know, about she using Vaseline to swatch her shadows. I actually don't believe that. And I'm a very small YouTuber, teeny. There's no need for me to lie or whatever. Like, I think her products are just good. Like, I know I'm gonna go into this shade. Like, I think the shadows are just good. I don't think she has to like put anything in there, you know, to like make it blend. It's just gonna blend. See? Like, it's literally just blends. I do need a little something though, because so I'm gonna go into this shade right here and I'm gonna blend just the top. This shade like literally has like nothing in it, but it's a good blending shade. Good blending shade like right here to just, you know, buff everything. So now I need to go back to that red a little bit. It's not a red, it's more of a brown, but it's like a reddish brown, whereas the other brown is kind of more of a blackish brown. That's why I said it's more cool tone, and this one is it's more warm. Blending, and back to this a little bit. Now I need to go back to that brown and I just put like a little bit more here. So perfect. Man, I've been loving these shimmers in this palette from Danessa Myricks. They're so pretty. Which one should we go in? Actually, let's do this shade right here called Sixth Sense. I don't need, like, look at this. I don't need any like glitter glue or anything like that. Like, this is expensive, like, but it is so worth it. Like, it is pricey, but worth it every penny. And then I'm gonna go back into that brown. Here, another small brush. This is the M506. I'm just gonna try to blend it a little bit. And now I'm gonna go back to this brush because I do need a little bit more of this. So this shade is so pretty. So yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back, and time to talk about this foundation. You know, everybody and their mama have been talking about this foundation. Is by Makeup by Mario. It says Mario's foundation reveals skin's natural luminosity, featured moisture grip technology. The foundation hydrates skin for 12 hours and glides on easy for customizable coverage. So I'm gonna use my flawless brush from Plating Makeup by Yolondo. I don't know, do I shake it? Does it say anything to shake it? So it does have a pump and it's a glass bottle. It feels really nice. Oh well, this looks light, but for this price it needs to look nice. I don't know. This feels light. So let's see. Foundation is applied. Let us jump into a concealer. We're gonna do my Shape Tape, and I'm gonna go into medium. This concealer is like an OG, but there's some people that's like love it and then hate it. Like, there's just, it's either you like it or you don't. It can be drying if you have dry under eye. I don't, so, but I feel like if you just moisturize really good, then you'll be Gucci. You'll be good. So I'm gonna use my Fashion Fear. This is a foundation stick. But I use it, I just get a dark shade and use it for this. Then I'm gonna use my Ruce 322 brush. I think the shade is a little bit red for my liking, but like, it's a little bit warm or too warm. Yeah, I think it's a little bit, not a lot, just a little. Just a little bit. I don't know, I feel like I need to go in with a little more, something just a little bit cooler, because this is red and this is my Carob. So this is like cooler, so I can blend it out and then mix it. Okay, and then let's grab my brush, my concealer. Yeah, we're blending the concealer because we're trying to have no kick. Isn't there like a song? I don't know. I'm obsessed with sparkling water. I think it's like, you know, a little crossover between regular water and that. Still get my water in, but you know, with my soda fill. Okay, let's blend this out again. Yeah, I feel like this looks better. Yep. Okay, and let's blend that concealer. My hair is like everywhere. That's a little blend. Just a little blend. And then I go in with my #1 powder from Charlotte Tilbury. I know this powder is so pricey. And now we're gonna set it and forget it. So this is from Collab. I don't even know if they still make this powder anymore. This powder is old. I like it though. And to set the rest of my face, let's go into Cunifer from Huda Beauty that I literally just mash up, and then to get into there is like it's a lot. So when I go in, it just takes so much. Like it just takes a lot. Cause I had oh my God, look at this. Cause I have zero patience. Zero patience. The issue was when the powder was taking too long to like get to me. So I was like, okay, let me just cut off the little net situation. That's a terrible idea. Terrible idea. So we're gonna go into this and use that dark brown and that red. The dark brown and that reddish brown. So I'm gonna go first with the dark brown. I'm gonna use this instead. I haven't used this in a minute. So this is the Tropical Vacay, and we're gonna go in with this shade first. I feel like I want to tighten this up a little bit, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go into that dark shade, not this one, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna put it like right here. Let's go into blush. I'm gonna use this blush from One Size. This is what? Cheek Clapper Fire Starter. And then bring it with my... Ooh, I guess I shouldn't have gone so bright with my blush, because your girl and that pimple, I just feel like it just enhanced it. So that's enough. And then we're gonna use this from Rare Beauty. This is Flaunt. See how this just enhanced this? I don't like the shit. but I'm working on it. I've only had it for a couple of days and I've been putting some stuff on it, which is like working really fast, but I guess not fast enough. Okay, so I just need to put a little something in my inner corner. And actually for my lips, I'm just gonna do a gloss. And this is Looks Natural by Tarte. So good. No, I need something for my inner corner. This has like a little tingly sensation. Let's go back to this, and I'm gonna go into Angel, which is this shade right here. Okay, so I'm not sure when this actually stopped recording, so let me go ahead and do my closing again. So that's it, guys, for this video. I love how that look came out. You know, I'm gonna have to fix that hair because that hair is like doing something. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.